Hi, hi, hi. All right, y'all. So I got a story to tell. I went to Popeyes because I said I wanted to get a sandwich and I wanted to just get some chicken to have or whatever. The wait wasn't that long. Probably like 20 minutes, like sitting in McDonald's drive through or Chick-fil-A or something. Anyway, so I got the chicken sandwich. First of all, this is not my order. Because these people gave me 2 chicken sandwiches. And I ordered order chicken, a box of chicken. So I got 2 chicken sandwiches. I said I ain't want no mayo. Both got mayo on it. Like, these people are highly confused. Highly. It's cold. It's not hot. I don't understand how they got all this wrong. All of it. I know I told them people do not put none of this stuff on my, ugh, I hate mayonnaise. I hate it. I can't even eat it. So I done got this stuff and now I can't eat it. Because I don't eat mayonnaise. So if anybody want a chicken sandwich, they sure can have one. I ain't finna eat this stuff. Anyway, so I got me some chicken. They had a little sale going on and I got some biscuits, of course. Biscuits. So I got that. But I'm just ticked off because I had my mouth set. I was like, okay, I'm going to finally try it. And then they get my order wrong. I can't be bothered with people. That's why I stay at home and I cook myself. But I've been so tired lately. I ain't really feel like doing too much, Yes, I'm taking my little pills. Don't judge me, okay? Ooh, I ain't got no hot sauce, child. I'm just like, I'm a mess today. Y'all, I'm upset I ain't got no hot sauce. Oh, come on here, bro. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Child, I had to get something. So I got this, my Carolina Gold sauce. I mean, I could eat the chicken plain because I usually don't eat a lot of sauce and stuff. But I want to get a little something. A little something. It's busting now. That's busting. So I got a 9-piece of chicken and this mix, hot, spicy and mild. Or mild and spicy, hot, whatever. So I don't think I've ever had their spicy chicken. We about to see if it's really spicy because I like spice. I put, ooh, child, I got a cut on my finger. Oh. Oh, that hurt. I got so many chicken breasts. So I don't know what's spicy and what ain't spicy. I guess this is spicy chicken here. I don't know. It looked different. It looked darker. It ain't doing nothing for me. Try. I think this is a spicy leg here because it looked darker than the other one I had. Well, I tell you, I'm doing bad today, y'all. I'm out of sauce. I ain't got no, just, It's a struggle, bro. It's a struggle. Sorry, y'all. I was getting down. I forgot. Yeah, it's not spicy. It's not spicy at all. All right. It don't do nothing for me, you know? When I eat spicy something spicy, you know, I expect to be having tears running down my eye, nose running. Ain't none of that going on right now. Nothing. Ooh, baby. Hey, hey. It ain't that exciting, you know? But it was gonna either be Popeyes or Chick-fil-A. And I ain't feel like driving across town for no Chick-fil-A. So I went with the closest things in my house that I felt like, you know, eating. Well, I had the spirit of the Chick-fil-A in me lately, but I ain't made it around there yet. But I'm trying to hold on, you know. Ooh, it's hot, temperature-wise, which is good. Cause you know how that be. We went one of these chicken places at the wrong time, honey. Your chicken gonna be cold, old, and all kind of stuff. So it's pretty good. So how have y'all been? How's your weather? Our weather down here in Florida, child, took a turn. It's a lot of confused people right now. What is this? And I must say, I am one of those people. It got a little cool. It's been like 70 during the day, about 65, 50 something at night. I'm about to sign up for this. I did not sign up for this. I want it to be sunny and warm all the time. And I probably gotta tell them what I got to move to get that. So I just gotta just take it, I guess. Anyway. Yeah, I might put my tree up this weekend. The only reason I didn't do it the past week was because I went out of town. And then the week before that I had a project due. And I didn't feel like being, fooling with it. So I might do it this weekend. I got a project due. Or whatnot. I might knock that out. Well, I ain't gonna mind. I got to knock that out. Pardon me, child. Pardon me. You know what get on my nerves about Popeye? They want to always give you these big old pieces of chicken. I want these big old breasts. It's like the whole bird in your in your box. I don't want this mess. It's a big old piece of chicken. That breast be like half of a rotisserie chicken. Excuse me. Look how big that is. That big old piece of chicken. Don't nobody want that. And they always tell me, because I'm always ass hunting. I be like, can I get all dark meat? They're like, oh, that's a special order. You have to call ahead for that. Whatever. I be doing what I want now. With this little chicken sandwich being back. Whew, I don't know if I'm gonna be back. Ooh. Well, y'all know how I am. I like a towel instead of paper towel. I'm trying to be better about the environment. Wasting all them paper towels. But child, I can go do some paper towel. So it's just easier, Ooh, Lord, that's hot. Wow! That thing coming out like a phoenix rising in the sun, honey. Anyway. Come on, y'all. I see the folks waiting. Whew. Y'all, so ladies, this is for y'all. I have an IUD. And now I have to get it taken out. So this starting to cut up now. I said, My body is rejecting it. It's been rejecting it since I got it. But I was having troubles. Some really bad troubles. And we ain't gonna get into all that. But it was that or surgery. So we went with this just to, see how to do. So it held on for 2 years. It lasted for 5, but my body said, no, Slim, get rid of this. So we're gonna get it taken out. Not we're gonna get it taken out, it's gonna come out. But child, woo! I don't know if I'm looking forward to the aftermath now. Cause things might get troublesome. But we're gonna see. I done prayed about it. So hopefully, you know, it won't be a bad deal, you know. But we shall see. So child, check this out. So why I see today that I'm never going to order this, but it's that KFC finna start selling buckets or boxes of chicken skin, fried chicken skin. Child, Popeyes finna have a little competition. I don't think they're gonna be mad about it either, but you know. So we about to see. These two people finna be out here. And there'll be some heart attacks finna happen too. That's being real. You can't eat that type of stuff all the time, you know? Or whatever. You gotta be careful eating that stuff. Woo! Baby, I don't really fool with Coke like that. That thing's strong. My God. Woo. So now I'm left. Oh, I got another leg, child. Won't God do it? Whew, I got a leg. I'm gonna eat this leg, child. That's about to be it for me. Come on. I'm gonna cook tomorrow. Maybe. I packed my bags for Europe. I ain't did none of that. No, I'll be ready. I ain't did nothing. I really got to buckle down and just take just a few items. Well, it's difficult. It's really difficult. So we about to see how this finna go, y'all. I might record it, but I don't know. We'll see. Cause there might be some fussing and cussing going on when I'm trying to do that. It won't be. We're talking trash. You know what part of the chicken leg? Ooh. That I like? This little piece right here. It's like a little piece of something. Oh boy. Biting into that is like winning the lottery. Oh. I don't know what that is. Well, I love it. 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 Anyway, child. Listen, I ain't gonna be before y'all long, as the preacher say in Baptist church. Ooh. How much time I got? I can't see. Oh, I'm good. Excuse me. Yeah. I guess I'll eat my little biscuit I just don't have an appetite. Like, I was hungry, but I ain't have a taste for this. So, you know, for me, it'd be like, well, you don't know, but it's hard for me when I don't have a taste for something. You know, I gotta eat something real generic. I'm to eat this stuff is difficult. But I don't have a taste for it. People are like, all you doing is sitting there eating. I don't want it though. But I know I have to eat anyway. And like I said, I wasn't cooking nothing. And I don't keep like a lot of processed food in the house, like, you know, like ham and turkey and stuff like that. I keep like cheese, you know, and olives, things like that, but that's about it. I don't buy chips too much, you know. I don't buy all that. Should I squeeze this last breast? Thigh in? Child, I ain't squeezing in nothing. I just want to taste this piece right here. As I say, I'm not going to squeeze in anything else. And what am I doing? Squeezing. I'm done, baby. That stomach says, sis, hold on now. Hold up there now. Hold on now, sis. I'm so disappointed, y'all, about this chicken sandwich situation. It looks so good. It looks so good, don't it? And they ruined it by putting some funky mayonnaise on there. I'm gonna go up there and clown. But I'm back home now and I ain't going back. That line was treacherous. You can get me messed up out there. No, sirree, Bob. I can't drink no soda. That stuff is strong. My God. And y'all already know I have troubles when I'm eating. I can't breathe through my nose. So it's like I'm trying to eat and breathe at the same time. I can't. As soon as I start eating, I start getting congested and I cannot breathe. So yeah. I don't know what that's called, but I need to see, can I get that, get it fixed or something. Oh, this chicken just, it's so big. I don't want nothing to do with it. I'll probably chop it up and make something. Put a little barbecue sauce on or something, you know. Some kind of something. Well, that's all I'm gonna do, child. Ooh. Baby. Yeah, child. So I got 2 chicken sandwiches sitting up here. You know. And like I said, they charged me wrong because I paid $21 for everything I got. I got the 9 pieces of chicken was $12.99. And then my biscuits was like, 80-something cents a piece, and I got 3. So just say that's $3. So that's $15. So I don't know. And I got the chicken sandwich. So I don't know if they charged me for 1 or 2. I think they was $4 a piece. So no. So with tax, they only charged me for 1. They gave me another one. Ain't what I asked for. I'm not eating it. I'm sorry. I wish I could give it to someone who could eat it, but it won't be me. I'm sorry. I hate to be wasteful. Maybe I'll try see if I can take the part of the bread off or something, and you know, like cut the bun down because I don't like a lot of bread anyway. Cut the bun down and wipe the chicken off, and then remake a sandwich. Because I had planned to put cheese on it. So that's what I like. I like Kobe Jack cheese, pepper jack cheese. I like stuff like that. And I got some in the refrigerator. But they didn't ruin my sandwich, so I can't eat it. So there's that. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go because, babe, I'm about to calm down for the night, relax, because I got work to do tomorrow. So I want to get all this knocked out so by Sunday I can relax. I don't have to worry about doing no homework and stuff. I don't want to do nothing. I'm tired. It's almost the end of the semester. I got, what's today? I think I got like 2.5 weeks of school, maybe three. And then I'll be finished. And I'll be so glad. I am so grateful to God for bringing me thus far. Because when I tell you, it's been a struggle. Especially like when you've been used to just doing whatever you want to do. As far as like daily life. You just go to work, come home, watch TV, be free. All that changed when you go to college. I promise. And I know I'm older student. I'm an adult student. But it's like once you get used to that routine, you've been an adult for however long, you know what I'm saying? You've been out here living life, going on dates and just doing whatever you want to do. And now all of a sudden, here you come. You've been bogged down with some work, homework and stuff. So it's like you got to change your mindset to say, all right, now I'm no longer, the person that was able to do this and that. You got to change your mindset. Be like, all right, I got to, do some actual homework and stuff. So I got to buckle down. And it's hard to buckle down. It really is. Because, child, I was used to just doing whatever I want to do. Every time my friends call, I'm like, girl, we going out. Girl, we finna go do this. Okay, let's do it. Not anymore. I'll be like, I'm sorry, I can't go. I got homework to do. Because, like, during the week, sometimes I do work during the week. So I can do stuff on the weekends. But it depends on what it is. And this was just one week I couldn't do it. I was already tired from being on vacation and trying to get back acclimated to our elevation. So I was up in the mountains, and baby, them mountains put a hurting on me. I'm still having bloody noses. I'm still having headaches. Yesterday I had a headache so bad I almost fainted in the grocery store. And, which reminds me I need to go to the store and get my medicine. But anyway, so, it's just been trying to get back right. My sleep pattern was off because they're 2 hours behind us. And it was like, when you're up like that, that's too many changes all at once on your body. And you think it's fake, but this is real. Altitude sickness, or they call it acute mountain sickness. Them things come on you, and it's real. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get off this thing because I'm finna go get my mind together so tomorrow I can be on it. So y'all have a good one. I love you. Remember, you are loved. Whatever you're doing, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Bye.